Cross our fingers it works, and if it falls apart on the day of, we're just screwed. Or we can take a break, put this in the water, and, you know, see if it floats before we go any further.
See if she floats. Let's go swimming.
Let's do it.
All right. Woo! All this time on an island leads to this moment right here. Come on. We are going to trust these knots. We're sailing us to that island over there.
Dan, you broke it. I'm not like a shipwright or anything. I just like know some stuff.
It floats!
Hey!
It's floating!
Yeah, baby! Yes! The boat actually floats!